Welcome to the 40 Customs Light Module installation for the Super 73ZX and Z Miami. With our light module, you can install all the original 12-volt Super 73 lights from various models, and many aftermarket lights, such as our own 40 Customs line of tail and headlights. But also other 12-volt lights from brands like Kanebilt and Loomanade. For models without lights, it's a direct add-on. For models with pre-installed factory lights, we first need to remove the factory light split cable. Make sure the bike is turned off, and let's start with cutting the zip ties and disconnecting the current split cable. With the factory cable out of the way, we can start installing the light module. The module comes complete with a set of zip ties. The short cable connector goes to the taillight. The green connector goes to the green controller connector. The long cable connector goes to the front headlight. We start with connecting the green module connector to the green controller connector. Make sure the pins line up before pushing the connector in. Next, we remove the back tape and stick the module underneath the seat, next to the controller. Now we can connect the short cable to the tail light. When everything is reconnected, we can use the included zip ties to reattach the cables to the frame. For easy access, it's best to remove the battery. When it's all done, reattach the battery and turn on the bike. And test if the lights turn on. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and ride safe.